Welcome to this video. I am glad you are here. Today we are going to talk about how you can control who can add you to chats on the VK app. This is a useful privacy feature. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Now, keep scrolling until you see the option called Who can add me to chat? Tap on it and you will see several choices. You can select between all users, friends, all friends, or even certain friends. Pick the option that suits your needs best. Once you choose, your setting will update instantly and apply right away. This feature gives you more control over your interactions and helps keep your messages limited to the people you trust. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.